Hello everyone, hope you're good. And so here is a video on the 1980s Dimplex wall mounted fan heater. Now, as you know, this was my great-grandma's old Dimplex wall-mounted fan heater. She used to have this in her bathroom. She used to have this in her bathroom wall, and it used to sit on the wall above the bath. So the bath was here, and the heater was sort of up here. And so yeah, now it's now actually wall mounted on the wall, and don't get your hopes up, it doesn't work, as in it's not connected to the mains, it's just on the wall here, as you can see. So it's just on the wall like this, it doesn't actually work. And so yeah, so this was done only this morning, I think. So it's now been hanged up onto the wall. So my granddad did this for me, and how he's hung it on the wall is that he's put a block of wood just across there, and on this side is a screw, and on that side is also a screw, so that's how it's hanging to the wall. So it's just like this. You've got the pull cord just dangling there. So yeah, so I can still pretend to use it. And so yeah, so it's in a bit more better order than it was in the last video, because it's now it's had some new screws fitted into the front cover. So it's got a new screw here, a new screw here, whereas the old screws for it are long gone. So the old screws for it are long gone, and I've not seen them for a really long time. I've not seen them since the heater was taken out my great-grandma's bathroom wall. But this heater was one thing I managed to save from being thrown away, because it's something quite special to me, so I didn't want to let it go. And I thought, now this lovely old Dimplex used to sit in my great-grandma's bathroom wall. That is not going anywhere. Yeah, and it's true to me. This, like even now, this is not going anywhere, staying where it is, because I want it hanged up here. And it's not going to, as I said, it's not going to get used anymore. It's not even connected to the mains. So yeah, so it's just going to hang here, that's all. So yeah, so it's just going to hang here, and it's not going to do much. There's one thing we can still do though. We can still pull the pull cord. So watch this. So yeah, so this is how I can still pretend to use it. So I'll just pull on the pull cord, and watch this. Watch the indicator. So that's how I can still use it. So when I pull the pull cord, the rotary switch inside turns to red. So watch this again. a real clever sort of it's a real clever sort of technology. So look, just like this. Look. So yeah, and apologies, I've forgotten the model number of it because on this Dimplex the model number is written in 2 different parts of the heater. So the well, when I say that, I mean it's got two rating plates. So one rating plate is inside the front cover on like the top of the elements, so just above there is somewhere there, and also on the back of the heater, so like at the back round there somewhere, the rating, there's another rating plate, and again says the model and everything. And these were made in Ireland. Yeah, so these were made in Ireland, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. So yes, these were made in Ireland rather than China. But yeah. So yes, I've got a story about the Dimplex here. So yeah, you may have heard it. So anyway, so I'm going to end this video with explaining the story to it of how so special this Dimplex is to me. This Dimplex wall-mounted downflow fan heater that was my great-grandma's, and she had it in her bathroom for, I'd say about, she had this in her bathroom, I'd say for a good like 38 years she had it there. So back then, back in probably about in the 1980s, my great-grandma was visiting my grandma, who's my great-grandma's daughter. My great-grandma was visiting my grandma, who's her daughter, at her house. And my great-grandma saw a fan heater on the wall in my grandma's bathroom, and my great-grandma really fancied one of these for her bathroom, and she really wanted one of these. She really fancied one, and then my step great-granddad bought from an electrical shop, from my local electrical shop, which is still there. It's not closed down at all, it's still there. My step great-granddad went to my local electrical shop and he actually bought one of these, and he fitted it in for my great-grandma in her bathroom wall. He fitted it in, my step great-granddad fitted this in for her, and she adored it, and it produced a lovely amount of heat for her, and she used it a lot. So I just really couldn't let this go. And I still remember thinking, when I first thought maybe I should take it, try and save it, I thought that Dimplex that belonged to my great-grandma, that is not going anywhere. It's not going to get used anymore. I'm still going to pretend to use it though. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Seen the Dimplex again, probably have a few more videos of it over time. Like over time I'll probably have some more videos of it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see ya!